How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. Today I'm going to share my summary of what I think of NordVPN as a user. Now, if you'd like to learn more about NordVPN, you'll find a full review down below. You'll also find a link to a special discount that'll give you an even better discount than one you're seeing right here. You'll be able to save 61% rather than 51%, so be sure to check it out if you guys are interested. Okay, so what are you looking for out of the VPN? Now, for me personally, I think NordVPN is a very well-rounded choice for most people, even for advanced users. Now, NordVPN has over 5,400 servers in 60 countries, which is plenty of countries. And, the user interface is pretty easy to use, kind of, helps you brush up on your geography as you search for servers, or you can just look up servers right here on the list. And of course, you have threat protection, which is a pretty good feature. It blocks ads, malwares, and trackers, and so on and so forth. It's not a bad feature. And you have a bunch of other features such as specialty servers, an app kill switch, custom DNS, and whatnot. But if you're interested to learn more about that, just check the review below. I just want to give you guys my 2 cents on my user experience. And, so far, I really don't have anything to complain about with regards to NordVPN, because if you're looking for top speeds, you have the NordLynx protocol, which will offer you the best speeds because you have the NordLynx protocol, which makes NordVPN arguably the fastest VPN in the industry. You can unblock streaming services, as you can tell here. I unblocked the US library. I'm connected to the United States. I unblock Hulu and other streaming services and whatnot. The privacy policy is independently audited. NordVPN also allows for peer-to-peer activity, so you can torrent to your heart's content. There are many servers and countries, and you can secure up to 6 devices per subscription. And across the board, the best word to describe NordVPN, I think, is just a very well-rounded and balanced VPN. So that's my 2 cents on NordVPN. It's a great VPN. It almost ticks all the boxes. It's got plenty of features. You've got the basic security features, of course, such as the kill switch and split tunneling, and an extra few features here and there, such as custom DNS, obfuscated servers, an app kill switch, and again, specialty servers and the ad and tracker blocker. So plenty of features to explore. And of course, you're able to unblock streaming services and an independently audited privacy policy, as well as constant security audits that keep on coming. So that's pretty much it for this video. Again, if you guys are interested in NordVPN, you'll find links to pricing discounts in the description down below, as well as a full review if you'd like to learn more about NordVPN's privacy policy, speed streaming, and torrenting capabilities, as well as security features. And keep in mind that NordVPN does have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try out NordVPN risk-free, at least for the first 30 days, and you have 24/7 live chat support right here at the bottom right if you guys have any questions. And feel free to post any of the questions also in the comments down below. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.